Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday freebie. We all like a really nice preparation for the weekend, and happy Good Friday as well for those who celebrate Easter. So today, very special Friday freebie is a really nice free printable that you guys can simply access, print off and play with. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back to On The Desk. So before I show you today's Friday's freebie, I just want to say, first of all, thank you to every single one of you that took a time to wish me happy birthday on both on my Facebook group and here on YouTube. I read all your lovely birthday wishes messages. Thank you so much guys. We had a fabulous day. We went to York, which is the city is about 1 hour away from us on the train. If you ever been to the UK, York is one of my favorite city. In fact, it's probably my favorite city in the entire UK. But there have been places I've not been, so I've not visited Scotland yet. So I don't really want to say it's my ever favorite city, but it's one of my favorite city. We have a really good day out. We went out shopping and then we had lunch out. Visited the usual places that we go, and then we went to Jamie's mum and dad for dinner, and they got me a cake and sang happy birthday. It was a really nice lovely day. It was raining, but of course it's, you know, it's UK, this country, don't if it doesn't rain it's not normal. No, we do have nice weather. It's just this time of the year is most common to rain. Before I'm going to show you the today's Friday's freebie. I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing. I've got this parcels literally the night before my birthday, because I come home and Jamie collected this parcel. He says, "Oh, it's for you." But I didn't open any birthday present until we got back, because we left really early in the morning and we were quite like rushing. We always rush in the morning. So this is a lovely package from, I'm not opening, so I'm literally open in front of you, from my YouTube bigger sister called Woolly Steph, which is my big sister Steph. She's my YouTube big sister. So I'll put Steph channels linked down below. She's a fabulous crafter. She always so known as the YouTube doodling queen, because she's amazing doodling. Look at that. I mean, look at this card. It's really heavy. It's a lot of layers. It's a thicker cardstock there, and you've got these beautiful embossed butterflies with gold. Thank you so much, Steph, for the lovely card and lovely messages. Then we got some lovely envelopes, and that's Steph logo. Handmade by Woolly Steph. I just don't want to read. I don't want to spoil the envelope. Oh, interesting. I guess the stickers. Yes. Oh, nice. I don't have anything like that. Do a video with this soon. Do you know, I really like stickers, but I never buy them because a lot of stickers have I like the transparent bit with a transparent background. Oh, what is it? This is a really nice clever envelope. Yeah, so it's good. Yeah, really clever envelope, handmade to fit perfectly. This one. Oh, what is it? Oh, is that more stickers? Yes, it is. Yes, perfect. Oh, wow, look. Let me just gonna go through them quickly. Oh, that's nice. Nice. I love mushrooms. See, I don't have anything like that. You see, this is what I don't like about stickers. When you have the border, but I'm gonna cut them. Oh yeah, love that. Oh, look at that huge stamp. How clever is that? Then we got some lovely butterflies. These are quite big. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you so much, Steph. You know, I never ever buy any stickers. Then we got some vellum cards. Oh, really nice. Really, really nice. And then, I don't want to... It's like a rice paper sort of consistency. They're really thin, they're really nice, but also they're quite smooth. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a fabric. Talking about fabric, I was scrolling on Pinterest, as you do, and I came across somebody that posted how to make fabric paper. So there wasn't a video, but there was a step-by-step, which I think I got the gist. So I will do some. Yes, I'm so happy that Steph is gifting me those, because I saw her doing it. Please go and watch this video. So these are the balloon flowers that I made myself as well, but this is Steph excuse me, Steph version. I love them, and I saw them, I was like, oh, I love them, absolutely love them. So it's a balloon stamp, and then she doodled on top. Look at that, look at the layers. I love them. That's another one. That's the one that she done with the bag. Look at that, love them. Look how, when I say that she's the queen of doodling, yes, look at that, love them. Oh, I'm so happy, so happy. And they, although it's the same, it came from the same batch, if you want to call it like that, but every single flower is unique and individual. Look at that. Oh, Steph, I'm so happy that you gift me those. I'm really, really happy. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful, because I want to make some of these. Oh, I'm gonna look at them in a minute. And last package, I got very spoiled, so thank you so much, Steph. You're always so kind. And I love the fact that every envelope matches that. Oh, what we got here? Oh, some goes. Do you know, Steph has got this power of reading my mind. So I recently kind of like rejiggled my desk, and I lost the coaster. I don't know why. I think it's the night fairy that come and be naughty. So I'm literally using this one, which is £1 and the cheaper one is 4 for £1. When I put my candle in my tea, so I have two, one for my candle, one for my cup of tea. And they are, I'm going to replace it, one for my candle, one for my cup of tea. So they are very similar, not identical, because they're similar. And then I guess it's a stencil, and then the crackling effect. And then Steph went all over with the gold wax, I guess, or is acrylic paint, either. I guess it's an acrylic paint. Or is that a napkin? It's got that napkin effect, because you see, it looks like a napkin. Sorry, I'm analysing it. I'm studying my coaster. Oh, look at them. And then Steph put these four things that I don't know what the name that in English is, but stopper. I want to call them stopper. So yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much, Steph. In fact, I'm going to leave them out, because I'm going to leave them out because I'll use them now. So I'll sew them out. Right, so they go there, they go there, and they go there. So thank you so much, Steph. Always so thoughtful. I will put Steph's down below, so it's against the law. You can't finish watching this video until you go and subscribe to Steph, because she's so talented. And please tell them that I send you there and send my love and support. Right, so Friday freebie, it's this page. This is part of my Easter kit, that if you want to buy it, please feel free to do so, because it's coming off the website on Monday. Okay, so with my Easter kit, normally all my seasonal kit going into sale, so my Christmas kit going into sale later on, and I get rid of them, and then the following year I design something different. But with the Easter kit, because it's literally one season, just literally one day, I'm just going to remove it, and then in next year we'll do something different. So yeah, so that's the freebie. It's a page. I will put the link down below where you can see the entire of the kit, and then of course the link so you can check the videos, so I can show you all the pages, and also if you want to purchase it. Okay guys, as usual, as we speak, the newsletter has gone out. So my newsletter goes out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, which is include the weekly freebie. So if you want to get next week and all the future weeks, just simply subscribe to my newsletter today. It's totally free. You get one email every Friday. I don't have time to spam anybody, so I don't send more than one email. So you get these emails every single week, so you don't have to do anything. You just save it into your computer, or you can join my Facebook group and you can see all the previous freebies for last 2-3 years. They're all stored there. Okay, also newsletter, there's going to be a discount code because this week has been my birthday, and also at the end of the month is the channel 4th birthday. So there's a little trick for you guys. So if you want a discount code, you got to join my newsletter, because every week I tend to do different offers. There's some money off, some 3 for 2, or different offers. Sometimes it's a free gift with every purchase, but it's only available for the members of my newsletter. Totally free. I'll put the link down below. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a really usual big thumbs up, because it really helps the channel and the video, because you telling YouTube how much you love the Friday freebie. There is put a playlist somewhere here on the screen, so for more inspiration, please feel free to click on and watch more. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Happy Easter again for those who celebrate it. And I will see you next Monday for another brand new video. Have a fabulous weekend. Take care and see you soon. Bye.